Take a ride in the 2018 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.